Trisha. I am 19 years old and I'm currently in Pune for my university. This is my channel, so welcome to my channel. Yay! First of all, I'm like really sorry for my background. I'm just moving in right now, so it's just a little bit of hustle doing this. So yeah, I promise, I pinky promise that it will be the better next time. Okay. So without wasting any time, I was just editing the video. I just want to say that this is my first time making or shooting a video. So if by chance, not informatively it's very factual. But if I am making any mistakes, let's say the camera angle or I'm taking too much cuts or it's just the editing or just whatever, forgive me please. I am learning. I am still a beginner. I will learn eventually. Thank you. Please continue the video and enjoy. So this video is going to be about how it is very difficult for me to make friends or trust them or whatever. It's just because of this certain experience. Now you all can be like, okay, Trisha, सब ऐसे नहीं होते हैं, you trust people and everything. I mean, yeah, that's true, and I do give people a fair chance. It's just I have learned to set a certain boundaries within people कि मेरे को अब जो वो एक बार एक्सपीरियंस हो गया है मेरे को, एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट वाज अ मेजर एक्सपीरियंस. ऐसे द स्टोरी टाइम आगे दैट स्टोरी थिंग इट हैज़ हैपन टू मी काफ़ी बार, सो आई जस्ट डोंट वांट टू रिपीट इट. राइट, स्टोरी स्टार्ट्स विद आई एम फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद. ओके, सो मेरी सोसाइटी में वी यूज्ड टू बी अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. नाउ माई क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड वॉज के. लेट्स कॉल हर what do we call her? KH. Okay, KH was my very close, okay, kattar dost jaisa. We used to hang out and we used to have fun and everything. Okay, and we used to be in this group, a certain girls ka group, जिसमें there was KP.
Wait a second, right? Okay. I'm sorry. So there was KP, that there was NA, and the rest of them don't matter. They were slightly, but there were 5 girls, I think, mainly in total, including me and Khushi. 6 girls, including me and Khushi, right?
Oh.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, never mind. I hope she doesn't mind this, but yeah, including me and Khushi. See, this is exactly why I was terrified to make a video. It's just, so I don't have a script. I'm just going full raw in this. If I have जो भी हुआ है, just I'll straight up say it. Anyways, continuing. So it was like that. Now starting में it was like very good, because one thing about me, अगर मेरे को कोई दोस्त मिलेंगे ना, होता था ऐसे past tense. So if I have friends, I will go all out for them. Like if you need me, I will be there. I will not think about me for one thing कि भाई मेरे को इतना inconvenience होगा or like it will be bad for me or whatever. I just be there for you no matter what. I have okay, I'll put that आगे आने को सब. So basically हम ये 4-5 लड़कियाँ थी. Now ऐसा होता है ना कि ग्रुप में भी ऐसा duos trios बन जाता है. So it was me and KH, you know her, and it was NA and KP. तो ऐसा मेन दोनों का ड्यूओ जैसा बन गया था, बट इट वॉज नॉट इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग जैसा. वी वर ऑल प्रीटी क्लोज, बट द मेन ट्रियो वॉज कि मी, KP एंड NA, राइट. तो हम वी 3 यूज टू हैंग आउट अ लॉट. नाउ NA जो है, शी इज़ माई दूर का बुआ जैसा, बहुत दूर का बुआ. तो आई ट्रीट हर वैसा मोर देन बुआ, आई ट्रीट हर एज अ फ्रेंड. ओके, कीप दैट इन माइंड. So all of that happened, and ये है basic सा background. Okay, it's like my life. Okay, but fine. Like if you're in a friend group, people have this certain thing कि भाई मत कर लेना. That's fine. One fine example of her having the superiority complex is कि अगर मैं या हम लोगों में से कोई कुछ भी करेगा ना, then she used to get so upset. It's it's not even concerned to her, okay? If something happens in her personal life and she feels it's not right, she used to get so upset कि नहीं मैं गुस्सा हूँ और मैं तुमसे बात नहीं करूँगी जब तक तुम मनाओगे नहीं मुझे, and this that kind of. We used to go and like, you know, as good friends we used to go to her and like क्या हुआ नहीं, I'm sorry, and apologize to our fucking core, which if I think about it was so stupid of us कि भाई at least उनका तो मेरे को नहीं पता, they are still friends, but मेरे को तो कर लेना चाहिए था बैक आउट, बट ओके whatever. So ये सब वो था, ठीक है. Now again my background story, whatever it is, कि I used to be there for them a lot in a very non-healthy way. One piece of advice I would like to give is, be it friendships, be it relationships, be it whatever, please set your boundaries. कि भाई अब इसके आगे ना I will not tolerate bullshit, क्योंकि there is a certain point कि you cross it, somebody crosses it, and then you're just like you're gonna get into that loop कि हाँ भाई ये बंदा मेरे साथ बकवास करे जा रहा है, and I'm just taking shit no matter what. And sometimes in life you need to step back and see कि if सामने वाला person is doing the same for you as well, if they are meeting you the halfway, if not, run. That whole equation, be it relationship or a friendship, doesn't matter to the सामने वाला person, right? So I was stupid. के बाद एक छोटे छोटे इवेंट्स होते जाते हैं, वो छोटे इवेंट्स में तुमको समझ नहीं आता है कि क्या चल रहा है, बट आफ्टर यू आर लाइक यू नो एक बड़ा इवेंट होता है ऐसा, एंड देन इट स्ट्राइक्स कि ओ फक, दिस हैज़ बीन हैपनिंग फॉर सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम, राइट? वो इवेंट में हम लोग थोड़ा लेटर रहेंगे. माई बैकग्राउंड स्टोरी इज, वन थिंग अबाउट मी इज कि इफ़ आई एम डूइंग समथिंग फॉर यू, मैं गिनवाऊंगी नहीं वो चीज़ कि मैंने भाई तेरे ये करा है और तू देखिए कि आई हैव बीन देयर फॉर दिस एंड राइट एंड सेंटर एंड लेफ्ट और व्हाटएवर. आई वोंट डू दैट, बिकॉज अगर तुम किसी लिए कुछ कर रहे हो तो फिर दिल से कर रहे हो, ठीक है? तो फिर चीज़ें गिनवाने की नहीं होती है. बट इफ़ यू पुल शिट देन आई विल ऑल्सो हैव टू गेट माई हैंड्स डर्टी. सिंपल. सो बेसिकली आई हैव बीन देयर फॉर दिस गर्ल्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स. मेरा कल अगर आई सक एट मैथ, ओके? मेरा कल अगर एग्ज़ाम है, कल मैथ्स का एग्ज़ाम है, मेरा फाइनल्स एंड एवरीथिंग, I am somebody who
suck with math a lot. Like you can like consider me as a full Ishan Awasthi for math. Okay, so I suck with math a lot. मेरा कल
मैथ्स का एग्ज़ाम है, किसी एक का आज हो गया है, लेट्स से केपी का आज हो गया ब्रेकअप. कल वो लोग आ जाएंगे, वो लोग उनका भी इतना फक्ड अप लाइफ था कि हम लाइक भेजो व्हाट द फक. मेरे को इतना पर्सनल जाना नहीं है, बट व्हाटएवर. सो उनका ब्रेकअप हो गया, इज लाइक आई नीड समवन, इज लाइक या आई विल बी देयर, जस्ट यू नो stop crying or whatever, I'm just going to be there, give me. Within seconds I am at her place consoling her. I am there for पूरा. I remember this one time, I don't remember who, किसी का था कुछ तो ब्रेकअप या सीन कुछ तो हुआ था. मेरा नेक्स्ट डे एग्ज़ाम था. I left all of it, I went to that place, I was there till सुबह को, और सुबह को I think I left उधर से, right? Once ये NA का बर्थडे था एंड नेक्स्ट डे मेरा एग्ज़ाम था. शी सेड कि नहीं हम लोग पास में जा रहे हैं, 1-2 घंटे में आ जाएंगे, वट एवर. हम लोग से आफ्टर वी लेफ्ट वी फाउंड आउट कि हम लोग उसके जा रहे हैं फार्म हाउस. सुबह से रात तक उधर ही थे एंड इट वॉज लाइक प्रिटी फार, एंड आई डिड नॉट वांट टू कम बैक अलोन घर पे, क्योंकि इधर रास्ता नहीं थी. आई वॉज प्रिटी अनसेफ. आई वाज जस्ट वेटिंग कब निकलेंगे. इट वॉज रात के आई थिंक 9-10 बज गए थे. 10 बजे हम लोग निकले, पहुँचे हैं वापस 2-2:30 बजे, एंड कल सुबह मेरा 8 बजे का पेपर है. ये सब सीन था. मैं लाइक नो, इट्स फाइन, इट्स योर बर्थडे, इट्स स्पेशल, कीप दिस डिटेल इन माइंड, क्योंकि ये मेजर पार्ट में ऐड होने वाला है. सो इट्स योर बर्थडे, इट्स योर स्पेशल डे, एंड आई रियली वॉन्ट टू बी देयर, सो आई विल बी देयर. इट्स फाइन, आई विल मैनेज सम शिट. घंटा कुछ मैनेज नहीं हुआ था मुझसे, बट ओके. सो या दैट इज़ अबाउट मी. और भी काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं, मुझे याद भी नहीं है अभी तक. इट्स बिन 2 years, आई फील मेरे को गिनवाना नहीं है. सो या नाउ अगेन लेट्स गेट बैक टू द मेन स्टोरी. ओके, द मेन स्टोरी स्टार्ट्स विथ कि वन थिंग अबाउट मी इज़ कि फॉर माई 18th बर्थडे आई वॉज इज एक्साइटेड एज लोग अपनी शादियों के लिए होते हैं. लाइक आई हैव सीन वुमेन प्लान देयर वेडिंग्स कि बचपन से कि मैं ऐसा ड्रेस पहनूंगी और ये करेंगे और ये थीम की होगी एंड एवरीथिंग. दैट वाज मी फॉर माई 18th बर्थडे, बिकॉज मुझे नहीं पता ऐसा कौन सा चमत्कार हो जाने वाला था मेरा 18th बर्थडे पे कि भाई ऐसा कोई ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो रहा है मेरा विथ ऑरा एंड ग्लिटर एवरीवेयर. बट इन माई हेड इट वॉज लाइक दैट. right? So I was like pretty excited. It's like fine, why you can be excited about your birthday. Like मेरा internship start हुआ, it was pretty exhausting because I left at around I think 7 in the morning and I came back रात के 8-9 बजे. तो मेरे पास zero time था to even think about planning things. And in my head I was like कि भाई I've been friends with this chick, with this group of women for so long. It's like so normal कि भाई you plan your friend's birthday because that is what I have been doing, right? So it's just in my head I thought कि हाँ भाई ये लोग plan कर रहे होंगे कुछ तो I don't have to think about it a lot. It's just कि हमारे group chat में I was pretty obsessed with this euphoria thing, like full उसका makeup and the vibe and everything. I was just very obsessed with the whole series. Okay, so I used to text in the group chat कि yo let's just make it euphoria theme and like send your outfits, I'll pick up your euphoria themed outfits, everybody can dress up as a character and I just used to say this, all of this in the group chat कि yo I'm so excited and this that. One day I was texting let's just do this. It wasn't like कि मेरी इतने कुछ huge demand है कि भाई मेरे को महल खरीद के दे दो, महल में पार्टी करेंगे. I will book everything. You guys are responsible for like planning and everything. They are not even replying in the chat कि तुमको कौन सा time फायगा या like, because I have to book a villa for it and that is मेरी बुआ के something related to that. So we are like the person responsible for this whole villa thing is in my as a connection, family connection. So I need to like let them know the timing कि भाई इतना टाइम से इतना टाइम तक हम लोग रहेंगे उधर. So I'm just texting in the group chat कि भाई just tell everybody कि क्या टाइम तुमको फायगा and everything. Nobody is replying, not one conclusion, like nobody is like literally replying. So I was like okay fine, never mind, but I need to क्योंकि मेरे भी इतनी हालत नहीं थी कि भाई मैं इतना कर सकूँ, but I was still trying my level best. Another thing I was so excited about this birthday for is कि मेरे को काफ़ी टाइम से like I said in the background कि like we used to be pretty tight okay as a group, but काफ़ी टाइम से ऐसा हो रहा था कि this NA and KP they used to work right, तो उनके work friends काफ़ी हो गए थे which is a good thing, I don't mind, but वो लोग अपने work friends के साथ ही hang out कर रहे हैं. This KP KA KH, I'm so sorry guys, bear with me for this one time, I swear I'll have a script next time. So me and KH, we used to be very tight, but KH moved to London, so I had nobody here, right, except for them. So ये सब चीज़ें हो रही थी and they used to hang out with that work friend a lot and we didn't get our time and a lot of shit was emotionally drowning me and I just wanted to have a nice chat with them. And I wasn't getting that time. So in my head, I was like, हाँ भाई birthday पे मिलेंगे, and we will get drunk and shit, and I'll have my little time with them, and I'll just have a pretty nice conversation with them कि ये सब मेरी life में हो रहा है. Just be there for each other. That is the second reason I was so excited कि finally I will get some time with them. Okay. So ये सब हुआ था, they were like not replying and everything, and I was just getting a lot of वो क्योंकि एक तो बहुत फकअप्स हो रहे थे मेरे बर्थडे के लिए. मेरे को जो ड्रेस चाहिए था इट वॉज नॉट कमिंग ऑन टाइम, सो दैट वॉज हैपनिंग. नाउ दिस गाइज आर क्लियरली नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन माई बर्थडे. आई विल गिव यू आगे का रीज़न वाई है. मेरे को घर से बोल रहे हैं कि भाई तू जल्दी बता व्हाट आर योर फकिंग टाइमिंग बिकॉज वी नीड टू आगे पास ऑन करना है. दे ऑल्सो the people booking the villa, they are fucking professionals, so we need to give them a time कि इस टाइम से इस टाइम तक हम रहेंगे. They also have the bookings and everything in line, right? So nobody is like giving me a proper time. And suppose ऐसा प्लान है कि आज 12th है और कल 13th है, तो 12th को हम लोग आई थिंक शाम या रात को निकल जाएंगे या फिर 12th को सुबह को निकल जाएंगे, which was a fucking Saturday as far as I remember. तो सैटरडे को शाम को हम लोग निकल जाएंगे एंड संडे को शाम तक आ जाएंगे वापस. तो अगर शाम तक आ रहा है 13th को, तो मुझे मेरा थोड़ा फैमिली टाइम भी, आई ऑल्सो वांटेड सम फैमिली टाइम, सो मुझे मेरा फैमिली टाइम भी मिल जाएगा. तो इट विल बी प्रिटी सेट, राइट? एंड सैटरडे संडे भी है तो फेयर इनफ. तो ये सब चीज़ें हो रही थी एंड दे वर लाइक कि नहीं ब्रो सैटरडे तो नहीं पाएगा, लेट्स जस्ट मेक इट संडे. देन द कंक्लूजन वाज रीचिंग टू कि लेट्स जस्ट कैंसिल द होल थिंग, लेट्स जस्ट गो आउट फॉर अ नाइस डिनर. एंड इट्स लाइक bro, it's my 18th birthday, please don't do this to me. It's just one birthday that I am excited about. प्लीज, क्योंकि इससे पहले आई वॉज नॉट एक्साइटेड अबाउट एनी बर्थडेज कि हाँ भाई ठीक है जो हो रहा है हो रहा है। तो 18th के बाद भी अनलेस एंड अंटिल आई एम लाइक 22 आई विल नॉट बी एक्साइटेड अबाउट माई बर्थडेज. इट्स जस्ट दिस सर्टन एजेस दैट एक्साइट मी फॉर नो रीजन. आई हैव नो लॉजिकल एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर इट. इज जस्ट लाइक दैट. ठीक है, तो ये सब बकवास हो रही थी एंड दे आर जस्ट नॉट डूइंग देयर पार्ट. एंड मेरे को अब वो भी उठ गया था कि भाई ये लोग कुछ भी करने वाले हैं मेरे बर्थडे के लिए. हियर्स व्हाई. कि भाई आई वाज टेक्सटिंग इन द ग्रुप चैट दैट टाइम कि यू नो लेट्स जस्ट ड्रेस अप लाइक दैट, सेंड मेयर आउटफिट्स एंड यू नो वी पिक समथिंग फॉर यू गाइज और लेट्स जस्ट गो आउट एंड ग्रैब समथिंग और व्हाटएवर. आई रिसीव्ड अ टेक्स्ट एंड आई कोट, just had to remember it but fine, and I quote, Trisha, it's just your birthday, you don't have to be so excited about it, it's dumb. Exact literal words. And it made me feel so stupid कि भाई it made me question myself कि am I like stupid, like am I acting too much for them, am I a little dumb to be excited about this little thing. But then it's just now that I have grown a little, I realize that somebody who makes you feel bad or dumb or stupid, quoting Taylor Swift, somebody makes you feel bad or dumb or stupid about something is just the worst, most horrible person ever. Just for anything you're excited about, it's okay to feel, it's like anything as little as, you know, getting your nails done or whatever it is, you can be excited about it. It's your life, it's you. So yeah, so I just at that time I was 17, so I started questioning myself and everything. So मेरे को सब hopes उठ चुके थे इन लोगों से. तो ये लोग ना मेरे को dates दे रहे ना कुछ कर रहे हैं. Now my mom is like, you know what, you add me in the GC, I will ask them. And my mom is कि I am her single child, okay, and these girls have been friends with me for a long time.
So they have come to my place. We've had, like, my mom has invited them specially कि नहीं तो बुलाओ उनको, let's have dinner and everything. I'll cook for and everything. So it has been like that. My mom के लिए they were उनके children only, right? So she was like, let me add me in the GC. I will ask them. So
Out of basic respect and courtesy, they will give me a proper timing. Guess what? I add her. Still no reply. Still nothing. It's just horrible. And I felt bad कि भाई I should have some fucking basic courtesy. Like अगर if your mom was, if any of their moms were in this chat, at least I have been. So because it's basic fucking decency कि भाई अगर तुम मेरे से बदतमीजी करोगे, I cannot tolerate disrespect or bullshit against my mom, right? So I'm like, fuck this shit, I am cancelling the whole villa thing. अगर मेरा mood पड़ा तो we will go to this, we'll go for dinner or anything. अगर मेरा mood हुआ नहीं तो fuck this shit, I don't want to do this anymore. So yeah, I called KP and I told her कि भाई you know what, let's just cancel this whole villa thing, it's not happening, किसी का time जम नहीं रहा है. तो we might go for a nice dinner, which is what they suggested in the first place, but you will get to know why is it so wrong. The moment I say this woman, this petty little woman starts saying shit like कि त्रिशा तेरे को क्या लगता है तेरे सब फ्री रहते हैं क्या, you cannot cancel this right there and then and whatever. Bitch, मैं जो तुम लोगों का टाइम सेट नहीं हो रहा है, you are the one making random ass excuses कि भाई ये है वो है, हम लीव नहीं लेते. इट्स फकिंग सैटरडे संडे, तुमको अपने बॉयफ्रेंड्स के साथ बाहर जाना था, तुमको तो ऐसे ही लीव ले लेते हो. वन टाइम, इट इज़ वन फकिंग टाइम दैट आई एक्चुअली genuinely needed. You guys cannot be there for me. It's pathetic. It's honestly so fucking pathetic, right? ये सब बकवास चल रहा था and I start crying क्योंकि it was just getting so overwhelming for me कि भाई मेरे दोस्त है भाई, क्यों कर रहे हैं मेरे साथ ऐसा. It's just one day that I asked, but fine, whatever. So I just started having this little breakdown of mine. I started crying कि भाई क्या हो रहा है. It was just very overwhelming, right? So my mom saw me कि क्यों रो रही है. मैंने बोला कि भाई I was like very shut and she saw me कि कोई तो है कॉल पे. So she's like मेरे को फ़ोन दे. I was like fine because I was in no senses whatsoever क्योंकि ये लोग सब मेरे पे कॉल पे ग्रुप बना के चढ़ रहे. NA, KP, फिर 2-3 और लड़कियाँ थी, they were supposed to come to this. So ये सब ग्रुप पे कॉल पे ग्रुप बना के मेरे पे चढ़ रहे सब के सब. ठीक है, I was just off. तो my mom takes my phone and she's like हाँ बताओ क्या हुआ. This ass woman has no decency. पता नहीं क्या सिखाया घर पे, क्या चल रहा है इन लोगों के घर पे, क्या कराते हैं. I don't use this terms in general, but it was just, look, I cannot take disrespect against my mom so fucking much, right? They started being so disrespectful against my mother कि नहीं, the tone was just not right. I don't know कि क्या क्या बोला है, but the tone was just not right, okay? And you cannot talk to somebody's mom like this, especially a friend. ठीक है, तो that was the thing happening and I don't remember the whole conversation, but my mom said कि मुझे पता है दोस्त कैसे होते हैं, they don't bail on you like this, you have your reasons, that's understandable, but ऐसे तो नहीं होते हैं दोस्त. That is all she said, right? And then she told me कि भाई तू रख दे इसको, we'll plan something, fuck this shit, we are taking a trip पे जा रहे हैं हम लोग. इनको बोल माच रहे. She did not use these words, but मेरा कुछ भी करने का मूड नहीं था. मैं थक चुकी थी ये सब चीज़ें. भाई कराओ मेरे से कुछ भी कराओ, मैं थक गई हूँ अब. मेरे को घर पे मैं सो जाऊँगी इससे अच्छा, मैं अपने इंटर्नशिप पे चली जाऊँगी उससे अच्छा. सो दैट शिट एंडेड, ओके. उसके बाद वी टुक अ लिटिल ट्रिप एंड हम लोग वापस आ रहे थे. वी वर इन द कार एंड दिस KP's mom, she called my mom and she went all cuckoo on her कि how dare you talk to my daughter like this and this that. Bitch, I'm sorry to use this term, but your daughter was the one who started all of it, and it's just stupid to, you know, just hear one part and just go to somebody else and just have a blast on them like that. But it was pretty nuts. The woman is pretty nuts. So yeah, she just went all cuckoo on my mom. How dare you talk to my daughter like this and that. My mom also gave it back. Bro, I'm not taking shit from you and everything. Just talk to your daughter, whatever. How they have been treating my kid and everything. And at that point, I was like, oh my god, this is the woman I thought was against me, and this is the only woman who is taking a stand for me when I needed somebody to, you know, just have a shield for me once, and this is the same woman doing that. I have basically अब इनको अपने बॉयफ्रेंड्स के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने नहीं मिलेगा, अलोन टाइम स्पेंड करने नहीं मिलेगा, इसलिए they were pissed. And whose fault was it? I was the one who was planning my own birthday. I was trying to gather all of it. Please, Aja. Whose fault was it that they are not going to have a great time with their boyfriends? इनको पूरा इस बात का लगा था, मिर्ची इस बात की लगी थी कि भाई how dare she cancel it and not do it on our convenience. Anyways, that is how deluded they were. That is how much NA had that superiority complex ki how dare she. But yeah, so yeah, pretty much after that I left the chat and they were all pretty shitty about it. Well, never mind, I got a tattoo. This is the tattoo after which I got. It's a Taylor Swift lyric. This song has helped me when I was at my fucking lowest. It's You're on your own, kid. Because of them, I had actually cut all my school friends and everything. ठीक है, school friends का तो अलग ही story है. That is some pathetic bullshit. But they were also a catalyst in that. So yeah, the tattoo says everything you lose is a step you take. I got on my 18th birthday, and yeah, I loved it pretty much. A little cheesy, but yeah, it was helpful. Now, this is me again. Sorry guys, a little snippet. The whole point of this whole story time was ki
Make friends, have friends. But one thing my mom told me and I have still kept it with my heart, to my heart, is कि तुम किसी के भी से अंधा विश्वास मत कर लो या don't go all out for somebody until and unless you're like you see somebody doing the same for you, right? If it turns into stories like this, because all of this I told it in a very casual way, but it broke me a lot because I get very invested in friendships, especially कि लड़के आते जाते रहेंगे, it's fine, doesn't bother me so much, but for friendships I'm like very cutterly attached. So it hurt me a lot, but I got over it pretty much, and I'm actually thankful that this happened. It made me gain a lot of experience कि भाई if something like this happens, touch wood, it's never going to happen. I would know how to deal with it. It gave me a lot of character development, if you like to put it that way. But yeah, again, thank you for watching. Until next time.